Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind the latest beauty tools. Today, we're talking about a game-changing styling tool that's caught the attention of many. The Remington Studio Salon Collection Pearl Digital Ceramic Curling Wand in a sleek and stunning pink design. With its promise of high heat and fast styling, is this curling wand the secret to flawless waves or curls? Let's find out. The Remington Studio Salon Collection Pearl Curling Wand comes with a 1.5-inch barrel, designed for smooth, shiny curls without the hassle of traditional curling irons. One of its standout features is the ceramic coating, infused with real pearl to deliver even heat distribution, ensuring minimal damage while achieving a glossy finish. The wand heats up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, offering high heat for long-lasting curls in a quick 30-second heat-up time, making it perfect for those busy mornings or last-minute styling needs. It also includes a digital display and precise controls to adjust the temperature for different hair types, ensuring you can customize your styling experience. I tested the Remington Pearl Curling Wand on my hair, and I have to say, it was easy to use right out of the box. The 1.5-inch barrel is ideal for creating soft, voluminous curls or beachy waves. The wand heats up so quickly, within 30 seconds, it was ready to style, which is a huge plus for anyone who's in a rush. The digital display allows you to choose the right temperature based on your hair's texture, whether you have fine, medium, or thick strands. And I really appreciated the precision this gave me. One thing that stood out is how smooth the curls turned out. The ceramic barrel, infused with real pearl, worked wonders in giving my curls a soft, shiny finish, without the frizz or damage that some other curling irons can cause. The heat, at 410 degrees, is ideal for long-lasting curls, but if you have finer hair, I'd recommend using a slightly lower temperature to avoid any potential heat damage. The wand does come with a 60-minute auto shutoff feature, which is great for peace of mind, especially if you're prone to forgetting whether you turned off your styling tools. It's a smart safety feature that adds value to the product, making it a solid choice for everyday use. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the wand's high heat and quick 30-second heat-up time make it super convenient. The ceramic and pearl technology really does provide a smooth, glossy finish without frizz. The long-lasting curls are another plus. I had no need for touch-ups after styling. The wand's sleek pink design is also a nice touch for anyone who likes their tools to look as good as they perform. On the flip side, the size of the barrel may not be ideal for everyone. If you're looking for tight curls, this larger barrel might not give you the exact result you want. Also, the wand can get quite hot, so you need to be careful when using it, especially if you're new to curling wands. It does come with a heat protectant glove, but you'll need to ensure you're using it properly to avoid burns. As for value for money, the Remington Studio Salon Collection Pearl Curling Wand is priced reasonably for the features it offers. You're getting high-performance styling with features like a quick heat-up time, adjustable temperature, and a safety auto shutoff, all at an affordable price point. Compared to higher-end curling wands, it holds its own in terms of performance, though some might prefer a barrel size that allows for tighter curls if that's their style preference. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly, but still offers great performance, there are a few other brands out there with similar technology. However, if you're after a curling wand with a sleek design, fast styling time, and a smooth finish, this is a solid choice for everyday use. To wrap up, the Remington Studio Salon Collection Pearl Digital Ceramic Curling Wand offers impressive performance and great value for money. It heats up quickly, provides smooth, shiny curls, and comes with a design that is both functional and stylish. If you're someone who loves creating soft waves or voluminous curls, this curling wand would be a great addition to your beauty arsenal. It might not be the best choice for tight curls, but it delivers where it counts for most hair types. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss an honest review from us. We're here to help you find the right products for your routine, and your support helps us continue making these videos. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, if you've used this curling wand, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.